Myself Talat Tariq, and the topic of my presentation is stabilization of the soil using wheat husk cache. So what is stabilization of the soil? First of all, I have to explain this. The soil stabilization can be the improvement of the soil quality, whether it can be its property like its strength or its compaction or the durability of the project. So what is wheat husk cache? So first of all, wheat husk is as we know that the wheat grain is covered by a small covering which is known as wheat husk. And if we burn the wheat husk at the temperature of the 800 degrees centigrade, so it turned to a dark black color as we saw that. So it is known as the wheat husk cache. So we have why this project, as it is eco-friendly project, economical and efficient project. So as we know that our cities are so much polluted and even our villages are so much polluted now. So farmers dump their agricultural waste at the roadsides, and they dump agricultural waste in the agricultural land. So we have to make the useless thing to the useful form. So we collected that polluted wheat husk and formed wheat husk cache. So it is economical as we have no loss of money in this project because wheat husk is we can collect that from any polluted area. It is the efficient project as we saw that we can increase the soil quality up to 10 to 12% by its strength. So main goal is to increase the strength of the soil. So I have discussed the methodology, which methodology we have used. As we saw, we have performed different tests on the soil before before adding the chemical and after adding the chemical. So we have saw that before adding the chemical and after adding the chemical, the difference in the result in the soil strength is 10 to 12%. So the strength of the soil in the shear is increased by the 10%, and in the compressive strength it is increased by the 12%. So this is all the main result of our project, and we have no loss of money, and we can easily have we invest million of rupees in different projects. We have no loss in this project, and we can have our project mainly. Thank you.